Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes, listeners, in the previous lectures, we discussed the basics of the Holy Quran and we started Tahajji series. So, Tahajji series is still continue, and today we are going to discuss third basic letter of the Holy Quran. So, let's start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yes, listeners, you can see in front of you. So, we discussed there are 29 basic Quranic letters, and Alhamdulillah, we completed first two letters with detail, and today we are going to start this third letter with detail, inshallah. So, this third letter is Ta. So, how we can pronounce this letter, how we can sound this letter, and how we can originate this letter with detail, inshallah, we are going to discuss. And first of all, we are going to discuss about this letter, how to read. So you can see in front of you, this third letter is Ta. You can read this letter as Ta, like that. So in the previous lecture, we discussed there are three similar shapes. First one we discussed already in the second lecture, that was Ba, and now we are going to discuss about Ta, and one similar shape is remaining. Inshallah, we will discuss in next coming lecture, which is Ta. So today's lecture is about Ta, so we are going to discuss all about Ta. And now you can see in front of you, this shape is Ta shape. So how we can recognize this is Ta? Yes, listeners, so we can recognize this letter with dots. So you can see there are two dots on the top of Ta. So you have to remember, if there comes one dot downside the letter, so it will be Ba. We already discussed in the previous lecture. When there comes two dots on it, so then it will be Ta. So now we are going to discuss about the point of pronunciation of this letter Ta. Where from we can originate, where from we can pronounce this letter Ta. So the point of pronunciation of this letter Ta is by touching tip of the tongue with the gums of upper front two teeth. Okay, so you can see in this picture, first of all, you have to put your tip of your tongue, your front part of your tongue with the gums of your upper front two teeth. When you will put your tip of your tongue with the gums of your upper front two teeth behind your upper front two teeth, and then you have to produce the sound Ta. Means first you will put the tip of your tongue behind your upper front two teeth with the gums, and then you will start reading this letter Ta. Okay, so then you can pronounce, inshallah, this letter properly. I hope you got it how to pronounce this letter perfectly. So if you think this today's short lecture was useful for you and it's useful for other Muslims, so then must subscribe our YouTube channel to spread the knowledge of Quran. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Okay, listeners, inshallah, we'll see you very soon in the next coming lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.